Yup. Got a quick market recap today. Didn't take any trades today, but this hoodie is like not deep enough, bro. It's not good. The University of Alberta, bro. Such a nerd. Such a geek. Such a geek. Today I didn't take any trades. Today was Tuesday. Wow, I low-key forgot what day it was. Today was Tuesday. We had some news at 7:45, so I was not really trying to trade too close to that. So ideally, like 6:45 was like the latest I would want to trade. But yeah, let me just go quickly over what I saw because it's not really too important, but it just helps me with what I see and just reinforcing like what emotions I was feeling and how I could improve. 4 hour was bearish going into market open, so closing below this low, pushing down, looking for the London highs and Asian lows to maybe get pushed into. Mainly focus on the London highs. We had a 1 hour high here as well. Ideally, what I was looking for, at market open, this looked pretty promising, but I want to see the London high get taken, take out the 1 hour high, maybe even push into the Asian low and then start targeting the London low. However, this did not happen. We made a decent push and then we just started to reverse down, took out the London low. So I didn't really have any target after that, so I didn't bother to look. But yeah, it would have been quite a nice move if you could target the London low, but I ideally want to see the London high and the Asian low, maybe even the Asian low get taken. So yeah, man, not really anything exciting today. The news, let me check that right now. Exposing DeepSeek usage. I don't use it, but the news was flash manufacturing PMI 7:45. We also did have a Powell speech today, which I forgot to talk about, but we did have a Powell speech, so maybe price was just waiting for that thing waiting for it to happen. We made equal. Oh, so I'll just go into GBPUSD now. Bro, I'm actually like, I don't know if I actually have ADHD or if I'm just making it. I feel like everyone in this day and age has ADHD, but I don't know. A lot of people say I'm like actually like genuinely slow sometimes. Not slow. It's just my mind is like very erratic, and I'm always like switching topics. Like one moment I'll be locked in on school, and then the other moment I'll be like, actually I won't say that. But going into market open on GBPUSD, 4 hour was bearish. We actually inversed this gap right here, closing below the low. Otherwise, we did close above this high after the 3 a.m. candle close, but this was after market open. So with that bearish mindset, I was looking for the London highs to get taken and to target the London lows. As you can see, we came right into the London high, but we made equal highs with the London high. As you can see, the high was 34520. 34520. So because of that, I didn't enter. And also to add, there was no real there's not really anything to add to to use as like a market structure shift, because there were no fair value gaps, there were no 5 minute lows or anything like that. So I didn't try to didn't want to enter off the break of structure to the low here. Ideally, what I was looking for was maybe we could push a bit higher, maybe push just a bit higher, and then if we had this large bullish candle and then the take out of that London high, and then maybe have a smaller candle to the downside, form a fair value gap, enter off the bearish fair value gap inverse, and then boom, that's a trade right there. But that didn't happen. So yeah, kind of sad, man, kind of sad, a bit sad. Oh, we also had NY highs here, but we never ended up coming into them. Came into them way after taking out the London lows. So yeah. Now with Euro USD, this was getting pretty close to potential entry. However, again, nothing showed out, bro. Nothing showed out. So 4 hour was bullish going into market open. I feel like I say that too much, bro. I say everything too much. I'm too repetitive. I gotta be unique, bro. I gotta come up with some new words to say. Every time I record the day in the live or the weekly reel, I'm like, yo, what's good is 8 p.m. Yo, what's good is 4 p.m. Yo, what's good is 10 p.m. All my day in the life videos, I'm like, yo, what's good day 24. Yo, what's good day 25. Yo, what's good day 27. Yo, what's good day 30 or something like that. It's kind of repetitive, I feel like, but I don't know. That's just how I talk. That's just how I talk. And if you don't like the way I talk, then you can go fuck yourself. Anyways. What the heck did I just say, bro? I don't even see. Like, this is what I mean. Like, my mind is low key cooked, bro. I'm like spinning all over the place sometimes. Maybe it's not good. Maybe it's not good. Maybe it is not good. Maybe it is not good. 4 hours bullish. I was looking for the London lows to get taken, and then this is like the 10 pip buffer, and then we also had Asian lows here, but I wasn't really think that we would go take out the Asian lows because we opened like right here. Now, let me tell you what happened. What, isn't there a song like that? Let me tell you what happened. I don't even know. Got a drop on this flex. He from Tennessee. I don't even know what it says. I said for sure. Baby, let me know if you want to eat. Yeah, I haven't listened to that in so long. Anyways, so we market opens. We have a decent push to the up, like large wick work. And at this point, I was like, yo, are we just gonna leave without taking out the London lows? But then I saw this, and I saw this, and I saw this, and I was like, bro, we might never take it out. But we ended up having a large push down. My alert got hit, took out the what is this? The London low, as well as I think this is a 1 hour low with the Asian high as well. So this looks quite nice, quite promising for potential long positions to target the London high. However, again, like I said, this did not happen. We formed an inverse value gap with this large move down. This is kind of what I wanted to see with what is it, GBPUSD. However, that didn't happen. Yeah. So as you can see, I had some hope here. We came all the way up here. I was like, yo, we might as well just inverse the gap, enter long, and target the London high. But that didn't happen. We just kept on consolidating around here. Came back up to the same area, but just pushed lower and lower and lower until the trade idea was just like completely wrong. And with the news at 7:45, I wasn't really trying to be in a position within like an hour of it. I didn't want to be at break even or just close, like not be exposed 30 minutes before a red folder. So that's pretty much it. Like, I didn't enter. I was having feelings of like, yo, because I wanted to say like I don't want to take anything within the first hour. I mean, like within an hour before red folder news, and I was like thinking like, bro, according to my plan, I shouldn't be trading after 6:45. But I was having some feelings like, yo, maybe I should just enter, yo. Maybe I should just take the trade. Maybe like, yo, I might win, yo. And I was like, yo, if this inverts, I'm gonna enter. This is at 7 p.m. Like, am I expecting myself to just close the position after 15 minutes? Like, it doesn't have any time to develop. It doesn't have any time to do it. So it's like, is that really a good trade? But in the moment, I was like, I was blinded by the idea of being able to take a trade, and that was like the main thing where I struggled with today. So yeah, bro, that's pretty much it, fam. The random thing, that thing, delaying. It's cool, it's calm. I don't work. I got heart. My girl is art. My wrist is not art. Just push to start. The M's are hard. I don't even know what it says. The bank is I just made my way to the bank. I don't hear no talking. I just left my way to the bank. I don't even know. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Goodbye.